Welcome to Holistic Wellness 24/7. In today's video, we discover the wonderful benefits of cayenne pepper future or the body and your overall well-being. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your well-being, step by step. So let's get started on your journey to better health. We all want it, a gut that feels great. Imagine waking up every morning feeling light, energetic, and ready to take on the day. No more bloating, no more discomfort. Just a smooth, well-functioning digestive system that keeps you feeling your best. A gut that works like a well-oiled machine, processing everything you eat efficiently and effectively. It's the dream, right? But for many of us, this dream feels out of reach. With digestive issues on the rise, achieving this can feel like an uphill battle. From bloating and gas to more serious conditions like IBS and Crohn's disease, our digestive health is under constant threat. The modern diet, stress, and a sedentary lifestyle all contribute to this growing problem. But what if I told you the secret to a happier gut could be hiding in your spice rack? Yes, that unassuming collection of jars and bottles might hold the key to transforming your digestive health. Yes, you read that right. Among those spices, there's one in particular that stands out for its incredible digestive benefits. Cayenne pepper, the fiery spice that brings the heat to countless dishes, might just be the digestive hero you've been waiting for. This vibrant red pepper is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. This isn't just folklore, folks. For centuries, cayenne pepper has been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues. Ancient cultures recognized its healing properties long before modern science caught up. And now there's real science backing up cayenne's digestive prowess. Studies have shown that cayenne pepper can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which are crucial for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. It can also increase gastric juices, aiding in the digestion process. Cayenne pepper contains a compound called capsaicin, which is responsible for its heat. Capsaicin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, which can help soothe an irritated gut. So buckle up and get ready to discover the fiery secret to unlocking a happier, healthier gut with the power of cayenne pepper. We'll explore how to incorporate this spice into your diet, the best ways to use it, and the incredible benefits you can expect. Whether you're dealing with occasional discomfort or chronic digestive issues, cayenne pepper might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for. Let's dive in and learn how this humble spice can make a big difference in your digestive health. Let's face it, digestive issues are incredibly common. In fact, millions of people around the world struggle with everything from bloating and gas to more serious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. These issues can be debilitating, impacting not only our physical health but also our emotional well-being and overall quality of life. The statistics are staggering. Did you know that approximately 10 to 15% of the global population suffers from IBS? And that's just one of many digestive disorders out there. It's clear that we need to start prioritizing our gut health, and incorporating natural remedies like cayenne pepper could be a game changer in this quest for digestive harmony. So, what makes cayenne pepper so special for our gut? It's not just the heat that makes it stand out. Cayenne pepper contains a unique compound that has been the subject of numerous scientific studies and health discussions. The answer lies in a powerful compound called capsaicin. This active ingredient is what gives cayenne pepper its signature spiciness, but its benefits go far beyond just adding flavor to our meals. This natural plant compound is responsible for the fiery kick of chili peppers, but it also boasts a range of impressive health benefits, particularly for our digestive system. When we consume capsaicin, it interacts with our body in several fascinating ways. Firstly, it stimulates the production of saliva and digestive juices, which are essential for breaking down food and promoting efficient digestion. This means that our bodies can more effectively extract nutrients from the food we eat. Secondly, it acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to soothe the gut lining and reduce inflammation that can contribute to digestive discomfort. Inflammation in the gut can lead to a variety of issues, including bloating, pain, and irregular bowel movements. By reducing this inflammation, capsaicin helps to create a more comfortable and healthy digestive environment. And lastly, capsaicin has been shown to promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. These good bacteria help to balance the gut microbiome, aid in digestion, and even support the immune system. By encouraging the growth of these beneficial bacteria, capsaicin contributes to overall gut health. But the benefits of capsaicin don't stop at the digestive system. This compound has also been linked to weight loss and improved metabolism. When we consume capsaicin, it can increase our body's heat production, a process known as thermogenesis. This can help to burn more calories and support weight management efforts. Additionally, capsaicin has been found to have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help to protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and various diseases. By including capsaicin in our diet, we can support our body's natural defense mechanisms and promote overall health. So the next time you reach for that bottle of cayenne pepper, remember that you're not just adding a spicy kick to your food, you're also tapping into a powerful natural compound that offers a multitude of health benefits. From improving digestion and reducing inflammation to supporting weight loss and protecting against cellular damage, capsaicin truly is a remarkable ingredient. Embrace the heat and unleash the power of capsaicin in your diet. Your gut and your overall health will thank you. I'm a big believer in experiencing things firsthand, so I decided to embark on my own 7-day cayenne pepper challenge. For a week, I incorporated a small amount of cayenne pepper into my daily diet, adding it to my meals or mixing it with a bit of water. Now, I'm not going to lie, the initial spiciness took some getting used to, but I was determined to see this experiment through. To my surprise, I started noticing some positive changes within a few days. My digestion felt smoother and I experienced less bloating after meals. While this was just my personal experience, it solidified my belief in the potential of cayenne pepper for supporting digestive health. But wait, there's more. Cayenne pepper isn't just a one-trick pony. This versatile spice offers a range of additional health benefits that extend far beyond the realm of digestion. Studies have shown that capsaicin can act as a natural pain reliever, helping to alleviate pain associated with conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Furthermore, cayenne pepper has been linked to improved cardiovascular health, weight management, and even a boosted metabolism. It's truly remarkable how such a small spice can pack such a powerful punch when it comes to our overall well-being. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I can't handle spicy food. And that's okay. The beauty of cayenne pepper is that it can be incorporated into your diet gradually and in ways that suit your tolerance level. You don't need to be chugging hot sauce to reap its benefits. Start with a small pinch and gradually increase the amount as your tolerance builds. Remember, it's about finding what works best for you. And if you experience any adverse reactions, such as stomach upset, discontinue use and consult with your healthcare provider. Ready to add some fire to your life and give your gut some love? Cayenne pepper is not just a spice, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your metabolism to aiding digestion, this fiery red pepper can be a game changer in your daily routine. Here are a few simple ways to incorporate cayenne pepper into your daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these tips are easy to follow and can make a big difference in your health. Spice up your meals by sprinkling a pinch of cayenne pepper on eggs, soups, and stews. This not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a nutritional boost. Imagine starting your day with a spicy kick in your scrambled eggs, or enjoying a warm bowl of soup with an extra layer of flavor, or even popcorn for an extra kick. Next time you're having a movie night, try seasoning your popcorn with a bit of cayenne. It's a simple way to make a healthy snack even more exciting and delicious. Get creative with drinks by adding a dash of cayenne pepper to your morning smoothie. This might sound unusual, but the heat from the cayenne can complement the sweetness of fruits, creating a balanced and invigorating drink. Plus, it's a great way to kickstart your metabolism in the morning. A cup of warm water with lemon and a pinch of cayenne pepper can be a refreshing way to start your day. This combination is known to aid digestion and detoxify your body. It's a simple yet effective morning ritual that can set a positive tone for the rest of your day, or even your hot chocolate for a surprising twist. Adding cayenne to hot chocolate might seem unconventional, but it creates a delightful blend of sweet and spicy. This can be a cozy treat on a cold day, offering both comfort and a health boost. Try cayenne supplements if you're not a fan of the taste. These supplements are a convenient way to enjoy the benefits of cayenne pepper without having to incorporate it into your meals. They are especially useful for those who are always on the go. Cayenne pepper capsules are a convenient way to enjoy its benefits. Remember, consistency is key. Taking these supplements regularly can help you reap the long-term benefits of cayenne pepper, such as improved digestion and increased metabolism. Aim to incorporate cayenne pepper into your diet regularly to experience its full potential. Whether you choose to add it to your meals, drinks, or take it in supplement form, the key is to be consistent. Over time, you'll likely notice improvements in your overall health and well-being. As we've explored, cayenne pepper isn't just a spice. It's a potent ingredient that can revolutionize your gut health and overall well-being. From promoting digestion and reducing inflammation to offering pain relief and boosting metabolism, the benefits of this fiery spice are truly remarkable. My personal 7-day cayenne challenge solidified my belief in its power. While it might not be a magic cure-all, incorporating cayenne pepper into your lifestyle can be a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural healing capabilities. Are you ready to embark on your own cayenne pepper journey? I encourage you to give it a try and experience the transformative power of this incredible spice for yourself. Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more empowering health tips and tricks. Please also check out my daily community posts. A new topic is discussed every day. These posts are all designed to optimize your holistic wellness. Together, let's unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you.